What's up guys, Seth K Bani here. Now this particular image, I'm going to cut this image out, then I'm going to put it over here, then I'm also going to match it to the background. As make sure I right click it and then I rasterize the layer. And once you have it like that, I want you to click on properties and scroll down and click on remove background. I'm going to leave everything in the description for you to use. So I just cut it out. I'm going to hide this one. You can see how it looks like now. I'll click on it, click on the move tool, and then push it all the way to the other layer and drop it in the background and then pull it up like this. Okay, and then maybe perhaps resize it a little bit. I'm using the alt. It's too much. Maybe make it much more bigger. I think this is good. You want to bring your black and whites as well. Now black and whites helps us to see the luminosity of the image. Let's bring the black and white, and then it helps us to match it nicely. And then let's come underneath it and then bring in the curves. So guys, this is the curve. You also want to clip the curve to the image so it only works with this particular photo, not the background. Now I want you to double click it, and I want you to hold alt and click on auto. Now this secret option is going to show, and I want you to click on find dark and light colors. Then I want you to click on the shadows and come and pick the darkest side of the image. That is it over here. I think that is it. That's the darkest side of the background. I'm going to click on OK, and then click on the highlights. Go and pick on the brightest side, but be careful. The brightest side could sometimes lead you on the bad road. You want to pick the skies, because the skies normally cast a nice light, natural light on the image. So normally I like to pick the skies. All right, so pick the skies. Experiment on the area that you love to pick. Once you are okay with it, you click on let's see. I feel like this is good, and I'll click on OK, and I'll click on OK as well. And do I want to save the colors? No, or you can click on yes. Doesn't really matter. Right. Okay, so now let's bring in our black and white. We are using the black and white as a way to actually guide us to get everything correct. So on the normal note, if it's black and white like this, would we really trust it as an original real picture? Let's pull this down a little bit more, and then let's see, just mess around with it. Now I feel like this is great. I feel like this is so this way when I take it off, it looks perfect. And then overall, you want to go and then click on your hue and saturation, and then drag the saturation down a little bit, and then come back and then maybe give it gradient map like that. And then go here and then set it to soft light. And then you also want to reduce the opacity to around 20 something. So we just put these two layers in the group, and then here is the thing. You can leave it like this. It really totally blends nicely, or you can also just add these ones to it also to tone it down a little bit. Now the other thing you could do is also blur the background, and you can do that by just going to filter and then going to blur and then going to lens blur. And once you click on it, we just have to push in, let's see, radius, drag the radius up. Okay, and then we'll leave everything basically the same and click on OK. It looks quite realistic now. And guys, you can leave it this way, or you can actually bring in to tone down the colors a little bit. If you love this video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel as well. Guys, I love you all. See you in the next video.